Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a regular one. I'm just going to be doing my makeup like I would every day, like an everyday type of makeup look, a regular look that you can wear anywhere, not a ton of eyeshadow, not a ton of anything, and what I normally do if I'm going to wear this to school or just like on the weekend if I'm going to go somewhere and I want to put some makeup on. This is pretty much what I do. Alright, so I'm going to start off with my sunscreen and lotion. This is a moisturizer I just started using, but I've always used a moisturizer and a sunscreen, just two separate products. This one is both in one. So this one is by Pureless. I just started using this one. I used it in my makeup PR video, like my makeup tutorial using PR products. And this one, since it has both in one, it has been easier for me. I've actually kept this one in the restroom with my BB cream that I just started using too from Pureless, because I've been just like putting that on real quick in the morning if I'm like running late or in a hurry. I just do that. This is a look where I'm like taking my time a little bit more. Like I have time to do like a really nice simple face. So again, moisturizer and sunscreen mixed together. And next I'm going to use my pore filling primer. This is going to give me a nice smooth base for my foundation. It's going to fill in my pores. This one is by Maybelline. I know how some pore filling products can feel like kind of stiff. This one's not like that. This one's just a little bit more like liquid, not liquidy, but like creamier, you know, so it spreads out really easily on top of my moisturizer and on top of my dry skin. Next, I'm going to use a foundation that is a really light foundation. This one is the Benefit Hello Happy. I have this one in the color number 3. And I am going to apply it with my beauty sponge, which does make it just a little bit lighter. It helps me blend out the product a lot faster than applying it with the brush. And it's not going to look like my shade anymore. This was a very good match to me in the summer, and it's not anymore. Like, it's a little bit warm, but I still like it because it's a nice coverage. And then once I apply my concealer, it looks a lot lighter. Like, it looks like it matches me better, so I don't mind it. I did break out on my forehead, but this does cover up a little bit of the redness, not completely. The concealer would do a little better job. Like, it kind of gives me some coverage, kind of doesn't. It's just not as red on my forehead, but just enough, you know? It doesn't completely make my skin all one color. It still lets my skin show through. Next, I'm going to put on my concealer. This one is the Tarte Shape Tape. This one is a full coverage. Actually, lately, I have been having like double under eye bags, and I've been using this one just underneath, like real quick. This is something that I've used for a very long time, but I don't use it all the time. I only use it on the days that I feel like it's necessary to do a little bit of color correcting, and right now it's one of them because I don't know, like for 2 nights I wasn't sleeping like all that good. Like, I was tired because I'm going to school and I'm working out and I'm keeping myself busy, but then like when it comes to falling asleep, like I feel tired, my brain is tired, you know, I'm learning things, I'm doing stuff, and I'm working out, I'm physically tired too. But then at night, for those 2 nights, it was like I could not sleep good. Like I would go to sleep but not get a full rest. I don't know, really weird. And I hate the feeling of just feeling like I'm not resting. Anyways, that's how I was feeling for those 2 days, and I just feel like I got like double under eye bags. So yeah, I need some correcting concealer. So now it's the I was gonna say Benefit, the Tarte Shape Tape and Tape Shape. What is this called? The Shape Tape, and now I'm gonna color correct. So just applying that on my under eyes and on my forehead. And like I said, it gives me just a little bit more coverage on my forehead area where I have the redness. And then whatever is left on my beauty blender, I'm gonna drag it on the sides of my nose. So even though my foundation is really light, the concealer gives me the extra coverage only where I need it, which is mainly in my under eyes if I have dark circles, and my forehead if it's a little bit red, and also on the sides of my nose where I also get red, like a lot of redness. So now I'm going to apply my translucent powder, and this one is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to apply this with my sponge on my under eyes to set my concealer first. This really doesn't take me that much time at all if I'm gonna do this for school, if I'm gonna do this, because I had to cough, I'm already used to the steps, that it's really easy for me to just do this whenever I want this type of look. Alright, then with my brush, I'm gonna take that same translucent powder and apply it everywhere. Now I'm gonna remove the extra under eye powder that I may have. Next, I'm gonna bronze my face, and I'm gonna use this Hourglass palette because I love that it has the blushes in here too, as well as the highlight. So all in one, this all-in-one little thing. And what I like to do is I just mix both of these because one's too dark, one doesn't really show up that much. So I just like to mix them and bronze my face with those two. So if you don't have a bunch of time to be grabbing a bunch of different products, buy a face palette like this that has several products in one, and trust me, it will save you a lot of time from like having to pick what should I use, blah blah blah. No, this doesn't give you like a lot of options, and you can always use the same thing if they work with your skin tone. Like they'll look good each time, you know. It's like you don't even have to think about it. And then for my blush today, I'm going to use the light pink one, and that one has a little bit of shimmer in it. Actually, both of the ones in here have a little bit of shimmer. But again, I don't have to think about it too much. It's just pick one, you know, a darker one or a very, very light pink. And then the highlight, well, there's only one, so I'm going to use this one. These, or this one right here, you can use as an all-over powder if you want some glow to your skin. So you do have that option. And then I'm going to set my face before applying any mascara, anything. I don't do eyeliner on days like this or anything. So I'm just going to spray my face with the Dewy Set by Anastasia. When I run out of this one, for sure I'm buying it again because I really like it, and this is exactly what I do. So that's why I have been using it a lot, because it's just something that I apply every single time to set my makeup. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes because I'm only going to apply mascara. And for mascara today, I'm going to use the Roller Lash by Benefit. Y'all, I feel like my eyelashes are growing. I don't know how or why. I'm not complaining, but you know, I just feel like I never had eyelashes before, and now my top ones are getting longer. My hair is growing too. For sure my eyelashes have gotten longer, okay, because I did not have these. They were like super short. So yeah, for my eyebrows today, I did use the Benefit Ka-Brow. That one is a pomade. I didn't do it on camera, but that is something that I sometimes do, sometimes I don't. Or if it's like a look like this, sometimes I'll just fill them in with like a brow gel. But today I did fill them in first, so I already had that on. But for lipstick, which is the last step, I'm going to use this one by Too Faced. Like an everyday, it matches with everything. I love the color of it, and it stays. And as it wears off, it's not like getting stuck to my lips, or it's not like clumping up. So it's just a really easy lipstick to wear, you know. If I wear a regular lipstick, that fades away really fast. And if I wear a lip gloss, that one's even faster. Like, if you talk, once you lick your lips, the lip gloss is like completely gone. So this does take a little bit longer to fade away. So that completes the look. Super fast, super easy. I've been recording for 15 minutes, and it doesn't even take me 15 minutes to actually do it. And it doesn't even take me 15 minutes to actually do this look. It's just right now that I'm talking, it takes me a little bit longer, but I can do this so quick. Even my eyebrows, like I said, today I filled them in with a pomade and a brush. And if I just use a brow gel, it takes me even less time to do the look. But I already had my brows done. But either way, it doesn't take me that long to fill them in anymore. I just don't try to carve them out or like really clean them up or make them, no. I just kind of fill in the areas that need to be filled in. And I do clean them up a little bit, but I'm not like really sitting there doing my brows, you know. If you want to make this just a little bit more glam, I guess you could say, wear red lipstick. Red lipstick will make that look, will make this look like you took more time doing it. So yes, you guys, that is everything for today's video. This very quick makeup tutorial, so you can see how I do my makeup whenever I am just trying to do every step, but just really quickly, you know, nothing full coverage, not a lot of steps, not a lot of blending, not contouring, just something really simple. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.